Mr. Everett.
Hey.
Welcome back.
What up?
I could not open up this fifth scale without the fifth scale boss.
You know I had to be here.
Correct?
You know I had to be here.
It's a Kraken, the KV5TT. What can you tell me about this truck?
It's not a buggy, it's a truck.
Yes.
And it's red and white.
I'm very excited.
And I've never seen one in person, so I'm pretty pumped.
I'm pretty pumped as well. We've always had fun with Kraken products. Let's cut into this big drum, shall we? That worked. That worked. I'll pick that up in a minute. Slide that baby out, will you?
Alrighty, buddy.
We finally get to see a new fifth scale here. Apart from the Raminator, the monster truck, we'll have to put them side by side and see the size.
What a rear end.
Baby got back.
Baby got back.
I'll hold it if you want to slide it. Yeah. Oh. Nice. Okay, shout out to Todd and Charlie right now. I know you guys are watching. You guys got your kit the other day. They're putting theirs together. Longtime viewers of the show. What up, guys?
Wow.
Yeah, I am excited for this.
Are you ready?
Yes, of course. Always. Dude, smoking hot.
What a gorgeous body.
Well, I get that a lot, man, but I'm married.
Ages. I'm married.
Amazing. Let's take it off.
I kind of, can I have some alone time?
You need a moment? I know. Are you going to drive it first?
I just can't believe I'm...
Listen, are you trying to get me demonetized here? What's going on?
I don't care that you're here.
How heavy is it?
It's actually not as heavy as I thought it was going to be. It's 7 inches, isn't it?
Yeah, everything's ready to run, ready to go.
It's not so bad.
We're just going to have to go through all the comments about how slow it is while we're breaking it in. For the 20th video that we've had breaking in.
It's actually not so bad. I was actually surprised.
Nice. There you go. We're going to try to figure out how big it is. Yeah, I love the white rims.
Yeah, they look awesome.
Yeah, size-wise. Here we go. Like that.
Yeah, it's very similar, eh?
Well, it's the style of truck, right? Except now we've got a big gas-powered one. It makes the Traxxas one look tiny, and that's a big truck. You know, my UDR takes a huge beating. I heard yours did not do so well the other day.
I have not got mine to do a run without braking, but...
Well,
such is life.
We should get them side by side on the track, yeah? Look how soft that suspension is. Oh my gosh. Classic Kraken back axle. Look at that.
Oh, it's different.
It's beautiful machining though.
Oh, it's completely different.
Trailing arms.
Look how much shorter wheelbase it is too than the buggy. Like the distance from the center to here.
I totally agree. Dude, and did you hear that they are coming out with the Stryker?
I've seen.
They've got a project they're trying to put together.
Cool, actually.
So Steve at DDM, Dave's Motors, where I got this, you guys can check it out in the comment section, no, in the description box. Yeah, .com. Steve there, he actually had a go with the Stryker. He said it was.
Did he?
Yes, he said it was on 4S LiPo. There
Tell
was
us about it. Why not?
Well, I'll leave, if you guys want to check out more about the Kraken Stryker and that project, I'll leave...
prototype that they're running right now?
Yeah, I'll leave something in the description box down below where you guys can check out that video.
What is it, 10th scale, I think? They're stepping
I believe it is.
World?
Yeah, they want to step it up, right? Because no one's really done a whole bunch of UTV stuff yet, so they wanted to give it a try. Cool. So I want to put some gas in this and fire it up, but first I want to take off the lid. Let's figure that out. I will consult the book of knowledge. It's covered in some sort of force field.
In book of knowledge we trust.
How were you able to do that so easily?
Ginger power.
Nice. Right there, same and there on the bottom. Like, yeah, so we start on the bottom. And there's one here and there.
Sounds good. Let's try and figure it out.
So here, here, and then 2 on the bottom. Right here and here.
Yeah, let's get that going.
Nice. These are all big hex nuts too, right? This is aluminum plated bottom, plastic arms. Wow, huge drive shaft. I always feel dirty touching it.
Look at these gorgeous trailing arms again. Always such nice materials.
Yeah.
Those are thick.
I know that my UDR can do several somersaults in a row. I'm going to try not to do that with this today. Nice.
And as we just talked, mine can't.
True. What did you discover?
The pin, the same as your buggy, has a pin that goes through.
Oh, it does
here.
have some posts. Aha!
And you flip the flap.
Ah, gotcha. I was just pointing out how much Loctite there is. There's like Loctite blue right here, and then red on the pins, which is a good thing. This is where I'd put them. And then look at this, F, an elastic band around the pin right here. Is that elastic? It is. So it doesn't back out, right? You don't lose it on the track.
That's pretty awesome.
That is awesome. I love how it's inset there. The band doesn't come out.
Another tip people do sometimes for those is put some heat shrink there.
Ah, yes, that would also work. You'd have to find some pretty big heat shrink though. Eh?
Yeah, your electrical store will have it.
That's amazing. Oh yeah, that's very similar to the Vekta, hey? These side plates
similar.
for sure. Similar, but totally.
Let's put it up to see some differences.
Yeah, it's pretty muddy though.
Yeah, muddy is muddy is.
What did you just say?
I said it's totally different.
I don't know.
Look at this here.
Okay, so size-wise, yes.
Yeah, look at
The difference.
look at the axle.
Yeah, well, thickness, man.
Length and thickness. It's completely a different
Well, if you look
machine.
from the side, I can see arguably how you can see similarities between the two, right?
Similarities for sure.
But one's meant for something and one's meant for another. Like, I don't know. I don't know, Ev. I think I'm going to have to go ahead and kind of disagree with you on that one. It looks exceptionally similar.
Oh, it is exceptionally similar, but you can tell that it's not sharing a lot of the parts.
No, they're
Same
definitely
design.
not sharing anything. No. No. Except maybe the shocks.
Shocks, yeah. And the electrical box. The battery box.
And where the engine goes. And where the gas tank goes.
I wonder if the main
And the back
main
shocks.
chassis is different. One of the things I noticed is that through picking them up and lifting them, that it is quite a bit lighter, this one, than the other one.
Oh, yeah.
So when I first grabbed it, you're like, well, how heavy is it? When we first started the video, I was like, I'm kind of surprised. I was expecting it to be the other truck with a heavier body.
Yes.
I didn't know it was going to be kind of smaller, if you will. Which
It's
saves
smaller,
weight, right?
but same size of engine in
Actually,
there.
no.
Oh, I know, but I mean like the same physical size.
Yeah, I just realized now when you were talking about this, it's 29cc.
Yeah.
It's the lighter truck, it can take a smaller engine.
Mine is on the Vekta, I believe the Vekta, or it's the Kraken mod engine, which is a 32.
32
yes.
you have
Yes.
there, yes.
So this is kind of weird for you and I. We're normally having to put something together.
Yeah, we got nothing to work on. I mean, even when you got the last Kraken, we're like, let's change it right away.
We did say we'd put it beside the Raminator. Let's do that.
Yeah, let's do that. You want to put the body on to do that?
Sure. Almost. It's a little bit longer. No, it's right on.
It's pretty much identical. A little narrower.
Okay, so you bring up a valid point though about these heavy tires on the back, yeah?
Yeah, you could feel the weight of the cage when you pull them off. That's
So
going to bring the back down a bit.
that's going to have a big impact on the suspension. Yeah, it's pretty soft.
For bashing though, does it matter? For having fun?
Well, yeah. I wonder how
I
quick.
think on a track it would matter big time.
Yeah, because it'd be slapping a lot.
Yeah.
Dude, they both look fantastic, by the
Man,
way.
what a lineup of red.
And
Just
then,
you're on to red and
all,
orange here, right?
look at the difference in size, and this is why people.
Another comparison.
Yeah. Yeah. And this is a big truck. That makes it look super small. Yeah, it's very difficult to get the size of that vehicle. Wow. Okay, man.
Ready to fuel it?
Let's fuel it and fire it.
All right, let's fuel it.
All right, brother.
Where's the pull start?
Fire it up, eh?
Down there at the wheel well.
Nice. It's so much larger with the body on.
It's definitely large and in charge with the body on.
Everett is going to pilot the truck for us today.
Can you hear though?
I can, yeah. Woo! First little bit with this engine.
Right into the rock pile.
Yes, whammy. Look at this little stock 29cc. I took the tires off of the back to get rid of that weight. Beautiful. Those small tires just repping it, man. Behind, everyone keeps asking me, why do you have deer in your yard? They're 3D targets for bow and arrow. My wife and I like to shoot them. Oh, nice.
auto braking right now.
It definitely has a higher high speed right now before any adjustments. Listen. That's great.
You know what I noticed? The back end sits up higher without those tires on it now.
It sure does, yeah. I love those white rims, man. They look fantastic.
Yeah, they do.
The tuning master.
Give that a little rip.
Here, you do it. I'll hold the camera so the people can see. Insane! Wow! That's insane! What happened to brake-in, Ev? It's already fast! Wow! A noticeable difference in speed with a lighter truck, man. That's amazing.
Yeah, it is.
So welcome if you guys are new to my channel and you've never seen this outdoor racetrack I got out back the shop. It is literally 1,000 feet of track for these trucks. We've held the big dirty, the little dirty, dirty in the bone, all types of dirty videos and competitions here. First time around the track. Pan back, you guys can see what we're looking at.
Traction, you gotta let off the gas on it pretty good.
Yeah, a mixture of grass and clay. Agricultural soil. Makes for interesting traction choices. I love how it floats, man.
Oh, the first laps in a while always feels fun.
Yep. Oh, lawn dart. That was an interesting thing that happened there.
You know what it probably is?
We got to lower that back suspension.
I was just gonna say it's gonna be because we took the wheels off for the weight. The
exactly.
Collars are down all the way.
That's exactly it. Let's adjust it. Look at this. Ah, there goes one bumper. No. What? Yeah, well, we hit pretty hard. Look at it. It's right here, dude. No, it's literally in the dirt. What is that? Oh, look at the imprint.
That's hilarious. Sorry.
Hey. We can totally put that back in.
Yeah,
I think that's usable.
I would definitely glue it back in.
Hey, we can. There's lots of. We have lots of meat there, bro.
I agree.
Okay, so we adjusted the spring tension on the back. Right there, sitting beauty. Yeah, took it down halfway. They were at full extension. My turn?
Your turn.
I'll get up there.
That's weird, eh? That is weird.
All we did is roller.
Yeah.
The bulb is full. The choke is on. That's what happened.
Oh, is it on?
The choke got flipped on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Here, let's see if you can start that up on that side. Yeah, I got her. Good luck.
That was...
Ah, just hit the bell. Doesn't sound happy.
What position? I can't see the choke, so...
Well, it's down now. Let's put it back up. Well, here, I'll do it. slow. Yeah. She wants to eat. Such a monster. Okay, let's give her a go.
All right, let's give her.
And as we jump and take it around the track, we keep doing different tunes on it to see how it's getting broken in. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh! Let's go get those tires right now.
Keep it level in the air.
Everett, you're missing a front tooth, dude.
That is not mine.
What happened?
Oh, she's been kissing the ground a little bit.
So we're now deciphering that we need those tires on the back.
Yep.
Now granted, I know viewers right now are like, oh, they just got a new truck and they're trying to destroy it. That's not it at all, actually. I just figured that with these not being on the back, I wouldn't burn the inside fenders, right? That's what I thought was going to happen.
Well, the other thing is we are just running it how it came out of the box besides
True.
that too, right? So we haven't adjusted really anything else.
I never really even considered that the weight of these tires may actually help it keep it centered in the air.
Are you rolling? Yeah, it just reminds me of my 1983 F250. On a cold day, having to close up the front.
That's right. You don't want too much cold air flowing in on the radiator. Gorilla tape. This shit'll fix everything. So now with those tires on the back, I want you to go up to the driver's stand and cut a few laps and see. I'll stay down here and I want to see how level it flies.
Let's do it.
I'm situated in a good spot. Oh, that's nice. The weight of the tires. Key. Oh, I love watching that suspension float in the rear, those trailing arms.
Got a bit of a bog going on.
Tune it.
I'm shaking the camera so hard laughing. Nice one. Oh! Oh! Don't see it. Nice one. Oh!
Look how amazing that is. The power. Amazing.
You can hear the transmission too.
Yeah. Dude, and it's fine.
Hey, I was just wondering, what did Steve tell you when you talked to him at DDM about the body?
That I had to be careful because when I went to jump it or roll it, that the pins might come through on the top. But they haven't so far, and it has had quite a bit of damage now. You guys haven't seen everything, but I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead so I can run this truck another day and order some parts from DDM. Guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. Hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Everett in the background.
Woo!
See you guys next time. Boom. Team Kraken. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, a little more. You know what I'm surprised about? Now that we put those tires on there, I don't see anything rubbing. No tire rubbage like I thought. I could have avoided all that damage.
Hey, you live and learn. RC